Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to sync the analog time with the digital time on your Casio GM-2100. So this is going to be the metallic Casio, but this tutorial is going to work for all the Casios with the module 5611, such as the GA-2100. So pretty sure this is going to work for your Casio as well. So as you can see, I have the digital time showing me 11:35, but the analog time is showing me 12:56. Also, you want to do this hand alignment in case the day of the week isn't shown correctly after you have set the time and date on your Casio. So we are going to do the hand alignment for both of these problems. This can appear due to magnetism or due to battery replacement. So after you have replaced the watch battery, the watch is going to consider that it has been reset at exactly midnight, so exactly 00, and that is why this error is going to appear. Now what you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for 5 seconds. You are going to first see here set, that is going to be after 3 seconds, and you are going to hear 1 beep. Then if you keep on holding, you are going to see H and set, and you are going to hear a double beep. And then the first thing that you are going to see on the digital display is going to be sub, so S-U-B. Let's do that. So I'm going to press and hold the adjust button, the first beep, the H set, the double beep, and now we have the sub. So when it comes to the sub, the first thing that we are going to set is this sub dial right here for the day of the week. So what we want here is to always have this pointing perfectly at Sunday, as you see right here. In case it is off center, in case it is showing something else, you need to perfectly align it at Sunday. So not at the day of the week that you are currently in, but always at Sunday. Once again, this is after Casio considers you have reset your Casio G-Shock, and it always has to point at Sunday. If you press any of the two buttons on the right, you are going to go to the right or to the left. If you press and hold any of the two buttons, you are going to use the speed scroll function. As you can see now, I'm going to use the micro adjustments, and I'm going to go one by one. In case you went a little bit too far, you can always press the opposite button in order to go in the opposite direction. As you can see now, I'm perfectly shown Sunday. The next thing that we want to do is to press the mode button once, and now we are going to arrive at setting, so aligning the watch hands with the digital display. As you can see, the digital display is showing me 00, as I have told you, perfectly midnight. And as you can see, the watch hands are off centered. They should be always pointing perfectly at 12 o'clock. You can use the top pusher in order to go to the left, or the button pusher in order to go to the right. So make sure to use the one that is closer. As you can see, you can also use the speed scroll function. If you press and hold any of the two buttons, the watch is going to start going in one direction. If you press any of the two buttons, it is going to stop. And then we are going to use the micro adjustments in order to make sure I am perfectly aligned at 12 o'clock. Once the analog time, so as you can see, the watch hands are perfectly at 12 o'clock. They match the digital time, so 0000, so we have midnight and midnight. All you need to do is to press the adjust button, and voila, now the Casio should show me 11:39 when it comes to the analog time. And as you can see, the digital time is matching the analog time, and now you can start doing the setting of the time and date on your Casio. So guys, this is going to solve your problem. In case you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, leave a comment, let me know if you managed to solve the problem, if you want to watch even other guides and tutorials on this YouTube channel. Also, if you want to learn or to know everything there is to know about your Casio, so about all the functions and features of the Casio, doing all the settings, how everything works, how to use the world time function, the chronograph, the alarms, how to set them on and off, make sure to watch the full guide on this watch. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so I'm pretty sure you are going to enjoy it. And once again guys, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below, guys. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.